COVID sucked for gym owners. 2020 and 2021 had unprecedented levels of difficulty for people who run gym businesses. I'm Dr. Sean Pastuch, owner and founder at Active Life, and this week we had some of the gym owners who we worked with through the pandemic crisis out to sunny Long Beach, New York, to talk to them about how they persevered and even grew through the pandemic. Listen to what they have to say.
I think our attention to everything that we had been implementing from Active Life gave our members and our staff the confidence that we were always going to do whatever we needed to do to make sure that we could keep progressing while staying safe.
We increased revenue during COVID by about 40% initially, and it's grown. I mean, if we just continue to get better and better over time.
During COVID, we made 5 times more money in 2020 than we did 2019.
So it's just really comforting to have that, those backup plans and know we had the support in whatever we decided to do with COVID.
Just support was huge in people who have experienced growing businesses through turmoil was huge for us.
I feel like I don't know that we would have done as well through quarantine if it wasn't for Active Life kind of guiding the way and helping us with that.
So from January 2021, we were doing it somewhere around 30 one-on-one sessions a month. As far as August 2021, we did almost 200. I think we were 187 or something like that.
Pre-COVID, the gym was an expensive hobby, and now it's a profitable business now. It's changed the whole destiny of our gym.